it's interesting. You talk about these operational structures. So, one thing I've seen sometimes is that company that is struggling
Mhm.
to have adequate margins or to really throw off enough profit, like all the things you hit on, which are excellent points. They say, well, but now you're telling me I have to add some layer of new operational people. I can't afford them. I cannot
Mm.
afford, so like you said, and I've seen that businesses, cranking 8, 9, $10 million a year. But they've increased their OpEx as their top line grew. So they're not making any more money. So boy, I'm out of my mind trying to run this thing. I'm giving it all I got. How is adding more cost or more effort going to get me there?
Mm. Well, I think you're asking the wrong gal, because I come in and I actually say, what are we going to simplify? What are we going to cut out? What is the bloat that needs to go away? Because most businesses that I come in, whether they're 5 million or 100 million, all have the same challenge, which is what I call business barnacles. Things that you added along the way
Mhm.
that were very helpful at the time, but now are either causing revenue to leak through the cracks, friction points, overhead, etc. Because the difference between growing, I mean, there's a lot of differences, but the main difference between growing and scaling is growing is when you're in that photo finish of your revenue goes up, your expenses go up, because you're trying to figure out how to build the back end to expand with revenue. Whereas scaling is doing more with the same amount of resources that you have, or having maybe marginal increases.